These last few years have been brutal. We lost my dad, and then my wife's mom got cancer. We did everything we could. Hospital visits, the treatments. We lost her too. Then I lost my job. While all this was happening, our daughter Nika, she has some complex learning challenges. She was being bullied at school, badly. It broke me. And she just shut down. But then we found a new school. And with the support she's getting at LDS, Learn, Develop, Succeed, she's finding herself again. She's smiling. She's laughing. Support from the Bright Futures Bursary Fund allows kids like Nika to learn, to feel seen, and to believe in herself again.
This story ended in hope, but there are thousands more that end in heartbreak. Your gift today will be matched and help us transform the lives of vulnerable children, youth, and adults across BC.